First of all, open www.buyucoin.com on Google, then click on the top right corner sign in button. Enter your registered email ID and password, and click on Login. When entering the 2FA code, the page will automatically redirect you to the BuyUcoin wallet section, where you search TOMO in search here and click on Trade, select USDT TOMO. Here you put the current buying price of TOMO in USDT, and then enter the volume, how much TOMO you want to buy. The total value will automatically be shown. After that, you place order by clicking on Buy TOMO. Your order has been successfully placed. You can check this in Order Book and open order.